Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending July 7th, stocks had a down week with the S&P and Nasdaq both losing close to 1% and the Dow losing more than 2%. Investors took a pause and are looking ahead to this week's CPI and PPI data. The ISM manufacturing PMI remained in contraction and decreased for the eighth consecutive month, continuing to point to a very weak manufacturing industry. Total construction spending was higher than expected in May, driven by private construction in new single-family units. The U.S. trade deficit in goods and services had a reduction of $5.5 billion in May, showing a very large decline in imports and a smaller decline in exports compared to April. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, job openings decreased in May of this year by 496,000 to 9.8 million. The ISM Services PMI increased to a more than expected 53.9 in June from a reading of 50.3 in May, and will add pressure to the Fed to continue to increase interest rates. Non-farm payrolls increased by 209,000 new jobs in June. The unemployment rate declined slightly from 3.7% in May to 3.6% in June. And the non-farm payroll number for May was revised downward from 339,000 to 306,000. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 1.77%, the S&P is up 14.57%, and the Nasdaq is up 30.52%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.06%. Oil closed at $73.82 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,925.15 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.10 an ounce. For this week of July 10th, Monday we'll get wholesale inventories and consumer credit data. Tuesday, the Small Business Index will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, and the Fed Beige Book, which is a summary review of current economic conditions. Thursday, initial jobless claims, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, Core PPI, will be reported. And on Friday, we'll get the Import Price Index and Consumer Sentiment data. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.